Welcome to the visualfractions.com YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to demonstrate how to divide fractions, specifically 1/32 by 1/16. First, let's understand our problem. We're dealing with two fractions. The first has a numerator of 1 and a denominator of 32, and the second has a numerator of 1 and a denominator of 16. The process of dividing fractions requires a little twist. You keep the first fraction as is, take the reciprocal of the second fraction, which means you flip it, and then you multiply. So, let's perform the division. 1. Keep the first fraction. 1/32 remains as 1/32. 2. Take the reciprocal of the second fraction. The reciprocal of 1/16 is 16 over 1 or just 16, because you flip the numerator and denominator. 3. Now, multiply the two, 1/32 multiplied by 16 over 1. To multiply, you multiply the numerators together and then the denominators. 1 multiplied by 16 gives us 16. Next, 32 multiplied by 1 gives us 32. Hence, 1/32 divided by 1/16 equals 16/32. But we're not finished yet. This fraction can be simplified. Both the numerator and the denominator are divisible by 16, the largest number that can divide both. 16 divided by 16 is 1. 32 divided by 16 is 2. So, 16/32 simplifies to 1/2. That's our final answer. And there you go. You've now successfully learned how to divide 1/32 by 1/16 and simplify the result. Fraction division can be that easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, we invite you to like and subscribe for more math tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to helping you with more math in the future.